let us understand how to use the reduce function in JavaScript with the help of an example. So let's say the interviewer gave you an array of elements, okay, and the interviewer asked you to return the sum of all these elements. Now you could use a for loop, but we'll use reduce for two reasons. One is it is much more cleaner, and secondly, this short is about reduce. Okay, so we'll do arr.reduce. Okay, now remember, reduce takes two arguments. The very first one is a callback function, and the second one is the initial value of the accumulator. Okay, now let's understand this one by one. Okay, so callback function is a function, right? Now over here, this function, this callback function will have two values in it. One is the accumulator and the second one is the current value. Okay, now before we move any forward, let's understand these two things. Okay, think of accumulator as the final value that is returned by this reduce function. The reduce function, as the name suggests, right, it reduces something. Okay, so over here, this array, we are reducing it down to its sum. Okay, so yeah, now accumulator is that very same thing that we will return. Okay, current over here, which are written with curr, is nothing but an iterator that will iterate over each of these elements. Okay, and this 0 is nothing but the initial value of this accumulator. Okay, so what do we want to do? Think about it, right? What do we want to do? We want to add every element, right? So initially, what we want to do is we want to take the current element, okay, and we want to add it to the accumulator. Why? Because accumulator is basically the final value that will get returned and the value that we start from. Okay, and this should do it, right? Now all we got to do is add this to a table, okay, and just return it, right? Sol.log sum. Okay, so if you look in the console, we should get 15. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more and drop a like if you found this video helpful.